Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. Out here in the barn. Got the cows going nuts, but I just wanted to share with you, working on my fuel rail here. I got some new injectors over here to put in the fuel rail. There's some 24-pound 4-hole injectors. These are the original injectors that came with the Jeep. They are the Siemens Chrysler single hole right there. And as you can see, that one's split, that one's dirty. This one I think was starting to, and this one's split. So I don't know if it's gonna make a big difference, but it's not that hard to pull the fuel rail and not that hard to swap out injectors. I got some Bosch 24-pound 4-hole injectors, so we'll see how it works. Got good reviews, we'll give it a shot. 1, 2, I think this one, yep, is cracked. 4 is cracked. 6 was cracked. And 5 was the only one that I didn't see any cracking on. So I don't know if that's going to make a difference, but these are the single hole right there. And I put in the Bosch 4-hole. So the Vaseline is for lubing up the O-rings when I put it back into the fuel rail and everything. So there we go. Everybody, so I'm in the middle of swapping out my fuel injectors. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the fuel injectors. I got the new fuel rail back on, cleaned everything up. They were pretty cruddy, but I wanted to address this. This is my BBK 62mm throttle body. Now everybody was telling me that bolting this on isn't going to do anything because the opening in the intake is actually smaller than this. Well, that's actually not true. Before I hook the fuel line back up, if you open this up, as you can see, there is no lip in there whatsoever. That is, it might look like it, but that's completely flush. So there is actually no lip whatsoever. If there is, it's not a whole heck of a lot. So that basically is a straight through 62mm throttle body right into the intake manifold. So hopefully that answers some people's questions on that intake manifold. And just like that, the injectors are in, check for leaks. I have no leaks. She is running smooth. Super smooth.